Remove baked on carbon, soot, grease, and grime on contact with Nox Smoke. This decarbonizing degreaser is formulated with the highest possible concentration of active ingredients, meaning the chemistry does the work, so you don't have to. Just spray on and wipe off. Nox Smoke is authorized by the USDA for use in federally inspected meat and poultry plants and is ideal for commercial kitchens, restaurants, cafeterias, and any other facility with ovens, grills, and cookware. The solution can be sprayed through standard trigger and pump-up sprayers, foaming trigger and pump-up sprayers, and it's available as an aerosol. Unlike other kitchen degreasers that use sodium hydroxide, Nox Smoke contains potassium hydroxide, which is higher in purity, so it cuts through baked-on grease faster and rinses without leaving a chalky residue behind. The water softeners used in Nox Smoke mean you can dilute the liquid solution with hard water and still get the same high level of performance. Plus, it's fortified with metal brighteners so your stainless steel looks good as new. Use Nox Smoke to clean your ovens, stovetops, grills and griddles, hoods, dryers, fryers, drip pans, smokehouses, rotisseries, pots and pans, and more. Nox Smoke liquid is compatible with most spraying and foaming equipment, and it will not harm cast iron, stainless steel, concrete, tile, or stone surfaces. Get your pots and pans spick and span. Contact your Momar representative to order Nox Smoke today.